Nouns in French. Gender, plural, and articles. French nouns are either masculine or feminine. The articles for masculine have le, a, while the articles for feminine have la, une. For instance, le soleil, the sun, versus la lune, the moon. Or un soleil versus une lune. There are some methods to identify the gender in French. Often, but not always, the ending of a noun can provide a clue to its gender. For instance, feminine endings mostly end with e or ion. For masculine endings mostly end with age, ege, aisme, and everything else. Keep in mind that there are exceptions, and many words don't follow these patterns. Learning along with their respective articles is crucial. Make French vocabulary lists like this: un livre, le livre, book; une chaise, la chaise, chair. Now let's see how to make French nouns plural. In general, adding an s to the endings of nouns creates the plural form. For example, un chien becomes des chiens. There are some things to keep in mind. Ending in certain letters such as S, X, or Z, no S. For instance, arbois, a wood, and des bois, woods. Now let's look at the articles. First, the definite article. The English definite article the has 4 equivalent forms in French, depending on the gender and number of the noun as well as what letter it begins with. Singular, le, la, l prime. Plural, les. Second, the indefinite article. The English indefinite article has 2 forms, a and n, while the French has 3, depending on the gender and number of the noun. Singular, a, une. Plural, des. Third, the partitive article. The partitive article indicates that the speaker is referring to only a portion or some of an uncountable noun, often food or drink. Singular, de, de la, de l prime. Plural, des. Merci. Thank you.